everyone. We are going to introduce our program, Marty. First of all, how do we make the robots move? We install resources like Python 3.9, FFmpeg from the official website, and Marty Python library. Then, we turn on Bluetooth and GPS and then connect to Wi-Fi. Lastly, we enter an IP address and give commands in the Python shell. We connect one Marty to one computer each as it is more easier.
Then we need to move every joint of the Marty so that we can understand the capabilities of Marty, what the Marty can do and what it can, so that we can make a set of suitable action for Marty. And then in programming, although sometimes all the code is correct in syntax, the movement of Marty can be totally different from the expectation. So apart from programming, we have to do many tests and we make improvement after it. Like in the example, when the Marty inspects the floor, we try to add the command of stand still to make the Marty look more powerful. In the part of dancing, Marty always repeats same action, so we try to use forward to simplify the code. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you.